All right, so we're using something called IPDE, right? Now we know that since we held this level of consolidation down here, we started to break out and we started to put in new highs. New highs, new highs, new highs. And we finally put in this most recent high at previous level of structure resistance. All right. And we held that level. We actually pushed up. We failed to put in a new high. We double topped. And then we consolidated for ages. This was back in September, the end of September, when we started to consolidate. And in this zone, it's provided us with lots of advanced patterns, because this is where we seek out those advanced patterns, those consolidation strategies. And what we're looking for in order to start looking for that bullish continuation, that bullish trend, is a break and close above this high. Okay, now we've actually, this is the daily time frame, so you can see if we just zoom in here, we've actually broken closed above these highs. So what does that give us? What is this called? Yeah, it's called a breakout. It's called a new structure high, right? It's a new structure high. That's what it is. New structure high. So once we identify that new structure high, what is the probability? What is the market likely to do next? What is there a high probability of seeing a move up or down? Up, yeah. So we've done the identify stage, that we're in a bullish trend, right? Now we can predict where market's likely to go next. We'll look at the next level. Next level of resistance, right? That's what I love these DSR levels for. Next level of resistance is here. Okay, so if we're making a prediction that we've identified the market's bullish, we've predicted that market's likely to test this level next, the next question is, how can we get involved? Well, before we drop down to the trading time frame, we know that market typically moves in two ways. We either push straight up, okay, or we see a little retracement and we can jump on and buy the low. If we were to retrace, that would obviously be the better option for us, because we've got a higher probability of a better chance of getting involved. Where do you think would be a decent level for that support to be held? Previous structure resistance. Yeah. Look at this. Hold, 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 hold. And then we've got our new structure high. So if price action pushes down, the first level that I'll be looking at is this level in here. Now we've only just broken and closed above. So now we can drop down to the trading time frame and see if there's a way that we can get involved. Now at the moment, we've only just broken closed above that level. So we haven't got a pullback. There's no way that we can get involved yet. We did break out. We pulled back down into this level and now we're pushing up again. But there's no way that we could get involved here at the moment, right? So what we're going to have to do is wait for price action to... this move to finish, wait for the pullback that we're waiting for this type of entry, and then we can assess this area here for entries. But at the moment, we're just going to wait for this move to finish, see if we can get a pullback, and then we can look at entering this if we get a retest. So that's a way off, but it's something to look out for maybe tomorrow, maybe later on, maybe in the new year. Depending on how much the market moves. But that's certainly something on the radar for me. We're now in a bullish continuation, so we can expect further movement to the upside. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this pair to see how I can buy this up and get involved in that move. Make sense? Now, as we drop down the time frames, we might find that there's another opportunity. Now, if you trade breakouts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're the type of breakout trader that buys on the 4th test, bang, you was in here. Or if you trade the breakout, you'll be buying this up right now at market. So if you're a breakout trader, you could be buying this out now, and whatever your rules are for profit taking. Breakout trades are not something I trade at the moment. I am going to be doing a lot of testing on these over Christmas. Keep an eye on this. That's something I'll be keeping an eye out on later on